Fear, the one emotion that unites us all, from the bravest of warriors to the meekest of mice. It keeps us on our toes, safeguarding us from peril. But could there be a hidden purpose behind this spine-chilling sensation? And what hormones and parts of the brain are activated when we experience it? Let's uncover what happens to your body when you feel fear and explore the captivating science behind this emotion. So why does fear exist in the first place? It turns out that fear is a crucial survival mechanism, honed over millions of years of evolution to help us avoid life-threatening situations. It's like having a built-in alarm system that's constantly scanning the environment for potential dangers. Everything from venomous snakes to expired milk. And while it's true that fear can sometimes feel like an unwelcome guest, crashing the party of our daily lives, it's important to remember that without it, our ancestors would have been easy pickings for all manner of toothy predators. Let's dive into the human brain, the veritable control center of our fear response. At the core of our fear circuitry lies the amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure that processes our emotions and generates the hair-raising sensation we know as fear. When faced with a threat, the amygdala sends a distress signal to the hypothalamus, which then initiates the fight or flight response. As adrenaline and cortisol flood our systems, our heart rate quickens, our muscles tense, and we suddenly find ourselves on high alert, ready to face down danger or make a hasty retreat. And all of this happens in the blink of an eye, faster than you can say boo. Fear is also a valuable teacher, guiding us through the treacherous terrain of life's many challenges. When we experience fear, we create associations between the emotion and the situation, which helps us remember and avoid similar threats in the future. For example, if you've ever accidentally touched a hot stove, you've likely experienced the searing pain and the fear that comes with it. A lesson you're not soon to forget. It's fear's way of saying, hey, remember not to do that again. To grasp the essence of fear, we must explore the hormonal whirlwind it unleashes. Adrenaline, the fight or flight hormone, kicks in when we sense danger, causing our heart to race and muscles to tense. Simultaneously, cortisol, the stress hormone, mobilizes our body's resources, ensuring we have the energy to face any challenge. Together, adrenaline and cortisol equip us to tackle everything from ferocious predators to nerve-wracking tasks like public speaking. So when you're jittery, remember, it's just your body's way of saying, I've got your back. As we continue to unravel the complexities of fear, it becomes clear that this emotion isn't just about self-preservation. It also plays a significant role in connecting us with others. Sharing our fears can foster empathy, promote group cohesion, and even create lasting bonds forged in the fires of shared terror. Like that time you and your friends braved that haunted house together. So the next time you find yourself shivering in fear, just remember, you're not alone. And there's a good chance that someone else is trembling right alongside you. In conclusion, we feel fear because it is an essential survival mechanism that has evolved over millions of years. Fear originates in the brain, specifically in the amygdala, and triggers the release of hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which prepare our body for action. This allows us to quickly recognize and respond to potential threats, protecting us from harm and increasing our chances of survival.